Surprise Fun Club! Yay!
Dion's playtime. Hi, friends. We're going to open these surprises.
Wow, what do we see in there? What's that? That's a Shopkins Easter egg?
Yes.
And Doc McStuffins minifigure and fashems and lots of surprise eggs.
I'm going to open this one.
You want to open the Shopkins egg? Wow.
I go open for here.
Okay. Almost got it. Oh!
Which one's inside this one? I got this one.
Yes, 2 Shopkins in there.
Yeah.
See what Shopkins are in there. What does that look like?
A shoe.
It looks like a shoe. Let's see. These Shopkins don't come with any papers. I'm gonna have to look up what that one's name is, huh? So you got 2 Shopkins? Let's see. Whoa, that's a cupcake and a shoe.
Can't eat it.
You can eat it? That's silly.
Let's open this one.
Okay.
Whoa. It's a Robo-Dog.
Robo-Dog.
So wait.
Let's see. Hi, Robo-Dog.
Let's open this one.
Whoa, what's that? A Doc McStuffins figure?
Yes.
Use your muscles. Those things are hard to open, huh?
Yeah. Here's inside this one.
Whoa, a new one.
Yeah, a new one.
Comes with this paper.
What?
Let's see what that one's named. Squibbles.
What is Squibbles?
Let's see Squibbles, bud. Oh my goodness. Awesome. Squibbles. Awesome. From Doc McStuffin. He doesn't sit right over here. What you gonna open now? Another surprise egg? What's in there? Who's that?
It's Sofia first.
What? Yeah, from Sofia first. Her name is Amber. Can I see Amber? Wow.
His face.
Pretty.
His face.
You like her because she can stand up on her dress?
Yes.
Awesome. Can you put her next to Robo-Dog? Whoa, there we go.
Let's open this one.
An
Hard to
orange
find
surprise egg.
it. He doesn't.
Who's that?
Captain America.
Captain America.
Let's open this.
Nice standing there, Captain America. It's Ashberry, Raspberry from Shopkins.
Ashberry, Raspberry.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna open the purple one now.
Okay, let's see what's inside of there. Another Shopkins. Who's that? Shady. Let's sit her next to Ashberry, Raspberry. Wow, we're opening a lot of surprise eggs today, huh?
This one.
Who's that?
It's Kobe.
Sir Kirby from Doc McStuffins. Sir Kirby, you can sit right next to Captain America. What one are you gonna open now?
The green one.
A little yellow egg. Who's that?
It's Chase.
Wow, Chase is on the case. Paw Patrol, Paw Patrol, whenever you're in trouble. Who's that?
A T-Rex.
Rex from Toy Story.
Let's open the orange surprise egg.
Okay, let's see which one. That one? Awesome. Let's see what's in there.
Anger. Anger.
Anger. Wow, look at all them toys. A pink one. See what's in the pink one. Who's that?
Everest. I'm gonna open this blue egg.
Okay, let's see. That's a pretty color.
It's Guido.
It's Guido from Cars.
Guido.
Let's see Guido. Wow. Awesome.
Open this blue egg.
Gonna open the blue egg.
Yes, a blue egg again.
Whoa. Who's that? That's a crystal surprise baby. Her name is Tinsel.
Tinsel.
A crystal surprise baby named Tinsel. Which one now?
This.
That pink one?
I can open it. And again.
It's a minion?
Yes.
Can I see the minion? A minion. Cool. Let's see what's in that one.
It's a bear.
It's a Care Bear. Let's see. Awesome. I like her rainbow.
Let's open this one.
That big
Oh,
green
it's a
one.
budget.
Oh.
Minnie Mouse.
Minnie Mouse. Let me see how you put your hands like Minnie. Oh, silly. I'm gonna open that yellow one.
It's James.
James from Thomas. Awesome. Green one. What's inside?
Luke.
Luke from Thomas. Let's see.
Let's open this one.
Whoa, that's a big yellow one. Who's that?
Callie.
Let me see Sheriff Callie. Awesome. She has a lasso. You know that yellow thing is called a lasso?
Yes. Yes.
Yippee-yi-ki-yay! That was silly, huh?
Yes.
How many surprise eggs do we have left?
3.
2 surprise eggs and 1 fashem. What are we gonna open next?
This one.
That big purple one? Crack. Who's that?
Deputy Peck.
Deputy Peck. Is he gonna stand next to Sheriff Callie?
Yes.
Hi friends. They're friends, buddy.
Yeah.
They're on the same show together.
Let's open this one.
Okay.
Wish you were
That's the last
good.
surprise egg, huh?
Yes. Rocky.
Rocky from the Paw Patrol. Green means go. That's it right there.
The last deposit.
That's the last surprise egg. Oh my goodness, it's empty now, bud. What do we have next? Can you show your friends?
Which one did we go get?
I don't know. I'm not sure. I hope we don't get the same one we have already. Whoa.
No, we didn't get that one.
Let's see.
It's squishy.
Can you show your friends who that is?
Yeah.
Wow. I
We
like her
didn't
pink
get
and
that
purple
one.
hair. She's cute. I like her, buddy. It's a unicorn. Cool. Oh my goodness. Did we open all of the eggs?
Yes.
Is the bowl empty? Look at that bowl. It's empty. Look at all of these fun characters that we opened. Wow. We got a lot. You're going to count them?
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23 characters. We opened all the prizes.
Who's your favorite character that we just opened?
This one.
Rocky?
No, this one.
Which one?
This one.
Sheriff Callie with the lasso?
Bye, friends. See you later.